Have you ever wondered how a single cell can evolve into a complex organism, or how plants convert sunlight into energy? These fascinating questions lie at the heart of a scientific discipline that has shaped our understanding of life itself. Welcome to the intriguing world of biology. Biology, derived from the Greek words bios, meaning life, and logos, meaning study, is the science of life and living organisms. It's an all-encompassing field that explores the structure, function, growth, origin, evolution, and distribution of living organisms, from the tiniest bacteria to the largest whales. The roots of biology can be traced back to ancient civilizations. The Egyptians and Babylonians, for instance, had knowledge of anatomy and diseases. They applied this knowledge to medical practices that, while primitive by today's standards, formed the basis of biological understanding. Fast forward to ancient Greece, where philosophers like Aristotle and Hippocrates began to classify organisms and study anatomy, marking the birth of biology as a distinct science. The Middle Ages saw the rise of natural history, a precursor to modern biology. Scholars began to systematically study organisms, creating detailed illustrations and taxonomies. This period also witnessed the advent of the scientific method, a fundamental pillar of modern biology. The Renaissance spurred further advancements. Scientists like Andreas Vesalius and William Harvey made groundbreaking discoveries in human anatomy and physiology. Then came the Age of Enlightenment in the 18th century, which ushered in an era of scientific revolution. Carl Linnaeus developed binomial nomenclature, the system we still use to classify organisms. The 19th century brought about the theory of evolution by natural selection, proposed by Charles Darwin. This theory revolutionized biology by providing a unifying explanation for the diversity of life. The 20th century marked the discovery of the structure of DNA by James Watson and Francis Crick. This breakthrough paved the way for the field of genetics and the understanding of how traits pass from one generation to the next. Now, in the 21st century, biology is a dynamic and ever-evolving discipline. It comprises various branches such as microbiology, botany, zoology, and genetics, to name a few. Advances in technology have allowed us to delve deeper into the microscopic world, decode the human genome, and even begin to manipulate genes. To recap, biology, the study of life, has evolved from rudimentary observations in ancient civilizations to a complex, multifaceted science. It has spanned the classification of organisms, the understanding of the human body, the discovery of DNA, and the exploration of genetics. As we move further into the 21st century, who knows what new discoveries and advancements await in this exciting field. Thank you for joining this journey through biology. Remember, life is a complex puzzle, and biology helps us piece it together, one discovery at a time.